Hey guys, what's up? So this is the package I have got today. It's a Lenovo Yoga 530, which is currently launched in Indian markets, and it has an i5 8 Gen of 1.6 GHz processor with 8 GB of RAM and 512 GB SSD, and a 4-cell battery with Windows 10 Home. And let's see what I've got on the right side. Not too much specs on it, and a little bit of invoice. Okay, so let's unbox it. Okay, so this is what you're talking about. The Lenovo Active Pen 2 looks interesting. Side and oops, fully covered. Let's keep this up here. Okay. Big. This is what you've got. We have a 65 watt normal charger here with adapters and some paperwork done. Safety guy, what it? Stay safe, man. Stay safe. Important. This is what you've got here. So I think this is made of aluminium, which is of mineral grey, and the ports we have here is HDMI, USB-A, a Thunderbolt, and a headphone jack, and a power point charger, plus a USB Type-C, a standard SD card reader, and the power button on the right side, which looks stylish. So So this one here is a 14-inch Full HD display, and it has a normal shallow keyboard with a decent configuration, and it has a i5 8 Gen and NVIDIA G4 MX130 for nav, and something interesting on here. Fingerprint scan. Okay, let's boot this up. See what happens. Backlit keyboard. It has a decent type of anti-glare touchscreen here, and it has even a fingerprint scanner. So guys, we have booted up the system here. It has a good amount of backlit keyboard, which has like two brightness options, and since it's a touch screen, you can very well play with this. So let's try unboxing it. Okay. Oops. Okay. It always asks you to switch between laptop mode and pen mode. Sorry, it's a tablet mode. Okay, I give S, and perfect. Has a very good flat surface. Let's try opening this up. So this is the pen we have got here, a Lenovo Active Pen 2. Along with this we have got a pen holder. I guess it's some kind of pen holder with USB. And let's start. Works really well with the pen. Okay, let's find an app. Play with this. It senses the pinpoint very well, and it even has around 4096 pressure points. So let's see how it is. Yeah, not quite good. So here we have the Windows Ink option, which has sticky notes. Okay, what does this do? Maybe we can have a plan. So let's try doing something with the pressure points. Since it has a lot of 4096 pressure points, it has to work well. Okay, you can see the difference here, like how thin it is here, and eventually it becomes thicker here. This is something very interesting here. We have got a ruler which actually comes like this. Just hold it and then you draw a line and no line crosses. That's like a very nice virtual ruler where you can drag and drop it in any kind of angle and it still works well, and it even has a protractor. Maybe I can shrink the size up and then draw from here to here, and there comes the curve. The ruler and the protractor makes a very good sense for artists and those things. And since I'm not an artist, I cannot make a good review about this, so let's build it up. Okay. Let's start. Watch its specs. 10th mode. Works well even in the 10th mode. Let's look at the specs of it. So guys, here you can see the GPU, which has NVIDIA GeForce MX 130. It has 2 GB of dedicated graphics. It's the latest version of the MX 130, which is equivalent to 940 MX, and we have 2 GB of shared GPU memory. And here you can see the RAM. It has 8 GB of RAM, and a CPU working at a good speed without any kind of lag and it has an i5 8th gen CPU, which works very good at 1.60 GHz. And the process, this is what we have used till now. Nothing much important. So the hard disk capacity of this one is a 512 GB SSD. I have used this 47 GB. We still have 428 GB left. Since it's an SSD, it works quite well fast. So this is all we have got in the Lenovo Yoga 530, which is a very good laptop for this price.